Most AI power users are still working like it's 2023. You explain your project to ChatGPT, upload files, get solid results, close the conversation. The next day, you're explaining it all over again. The real bottleneck isn't better prompts, it's context. ChatGPT forgets everything the moment you start a new conversation, even though your work hasn't reset at all. You shouldn't have to re-explain the same project or rewrite the same instructions every single time. That's the gap ChatGPT projects are built to close. And today, we're breaking down how to use them in real workflows. So what are ChatGPT projects? They're dedicated workspaces inside ChatGPT where you can group related chats, files, and instructions in one place. Upload your docs once. Set your tone and format once, and every new conversation inside that project starts with all of that context already built in. Now, setting one up is straightforward. First, open ChatGPT, and if you don't have an account already, sign up. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar where you'll find the Projects section. Click the plus button to create a new one and give it a name. Next comes the real setup. Start by uploading your files, docs, PDFs, datasets, whatever you're working with. These stay available across every chat inside this project, so you never have to re-upload them. Then write your custom instructions. This is where you define the tone, format, audience, and constraints for your work. Anything ChatGPT should remember. Once you save them, they apply automatically to every conversation. Once your project is set up, here's how to use ChatGPT projects. The first way is to use it for development and coding. If you're a developer, you already know the problem. You open ChatGPT to debug or build a feature, and you spend half the time re-explaining your codebase. Projects solve that. Create a web app project. Drop in your files, API docs, and style conventions. Now ChatGPT already knows your setup. You're writing code, not rewriting context. Debug across files. Refactor with confidence. Add documentation, all without starting from scratch. But here's the thing, ChatGPT projects keep context inside ChatGPT. Your actual work, it's in your IDE, your task manager, your docs. If you want AI that works where you actually build, ClickUp Brain connects the dots. It brings multiple AI models into your workspace, integrates with your code repos and tools, and keeps everything, tasks, docs, context, in one place. Next, you can use ChatGPT projects for writing and editing your content. Because when you write content without a dedicated project, you're repasting your brand voice, style guide, and audience brief all over again. With projects, you can create a blog project, upload your guidelines, tone examples, and top articles once. Now every draft starts on brand without you repeating yourself. Write, revise, organize by campaign, all with context that sticks. Lastly, ChatGPT projects make data analysis and reporting simpler. When you analyze data in ChatGPT, you might fall into a loop of follow-ups. But with ChatGPT projects, you only have to upload files once and explain the same metrics once. Now, when you return to dig deeper or compare trends, ChatGPT remembers everything. Your analysis builds on itself instead of restarting from zero. Now, projects work well, but they're not foolproof. They are good for context setting, but they don't understand the current state of your work. What's blocked? What's overdue? Who owns what? Because you don't execute work in ChatGPT, they don't move as work moves. That's where ClickUp changes the game. With ClickUp, your workspace isn't just a place to chat with AI. It's where your tasks, docs, and projects actually live and feed it all the context it needs. As your built-in contextual AI assistant, ClickUp Brain doesn't just remember your instructions or files, it understands the live state of your work. It reads your tasks, docs, and team conversations and gives you instant answers, summaries, and insights right where the work happens. You ask, summarize the metrics? ClickUp Brain knows which data sets to check, gives you a before-after comparison, and then instantly tells you where your project is stuck, why, and what the bottleneck is. And if you want to take this further, give ClickUp Talk to Text a try. You can literally speak your workflow into existence. Talk to Text transcribes your instructions and executes them so you get actionable results instantly, hands-free. But ClickUp doesn't just talk to you, it also takes care of your workflow. With super agents, you've got AI teammates that work just like your human colleagues. They're more than just chatbots. They're like an extra set of hands for your team. You can assign them tasks, mention them in comments, and they watch, remember, and learn from everything happening in your workspace. They take your feedback and quietly keep your projects moving forward the way you want, automatically. Unlike AI that's stuck inside a chat window, super agents are fully connected to your tasks, docs, and schedules. They take action, update work, and solve problems right where your team works. So, while ChatGPT Projects helps you keep your AI chats organized. ClickUp is your AI workspace where your tasks, docs, templates, and projects actually live, connected, actionable, and always in context. If you don't want your AI and your work in separate apps, try ClickUp for free at clickup.com.